So this is not the best or the only way to get a fire going in frozen or wet conditions. This is simply my tips and tricks. This is what works for me. Plain and simple, your wood needs to be dry to catch fire. But if you don't have dry wood, then you need to dry it out. So first thing you need is tinder. The best tinder is birch bark. It's full of natural oils and will ignite even when wet. When taking birch bark off a living tree, take the outer layer and make sure it's already peeling. Taking any more than this can hurt and sometimes kill the tree.
Don't ever do this to a tree. Never, ever, ever, ever do that to a tree.
Next you need kindling. There are a few different thicknesses: pencil lead, pencil, and thumb. The kindling can be frozen or wet, but it needs to be dead. It can't be living. Where I live, we have many tall pine trees. The lower limbs die off, which is perfect for kindling. Lastly, you need fuel. In this weather, dead standing is the best. It should be fairly dry and not rotten. If you're lucky, you can get your kindling and your fuel all out of one tree. Once you have all your wood, it's time to process and sort it into piles. Once again, the pile should be pencil lead thickness, pencil thickness, thumb thickness, and anything bigger is your fuel. You want to put down a few fuel logs as a base. This will keep your fire up off the snow and will become a bed of coals. Hardwood is the best to use in this situation because it produces really hot coals that burn slower. But here I'm using pine as that's all we had, but it works just the same. Light your tinder on top of the base. I'm using a fire steel, but a match or a lighter is a hell of a lot easier. Once the tinder is lit, quickly add your pile of pencil thickness, then pencil, then thumb. Don't wait for each separate thickness to catch fire before you're putting the next one on. It's better to put them all on at once. The theory is simple. The smaller the wood, the quicker it will dry out and take a flame. So the birch bark dries out the pencil lead thickness, which quickly ignites. This helps dry out the pencil thickness, which quickly ignites. It's important to construct your fire in such a way that it can breathe. The last thing you want to do is smother your flame you've worked so hard to get. To solve this problem, I simply crisscross my wood. It does the trick. Once your thumb thickness is burning, it's safe to throw a few fuel logs on. This will burn down and give you a nice base of coals, which will sustain your fire. Here's a clip of us in the pouring rain and our fire is going strong. I hope this tutorial helps you guys start fires in wet conditions. Thanks for watching the Packin and Packin channel. We'll see you next time.